Hello everyone, welcome to Omega Reports. In this video, we're going to learn how to edit, view, or delete investment information. As with everything, we've tried to make this as simple as possible. So to do this, all we have to do is go over on the left and click Edit Records. Now, Edit Records is used anytime you want to edit, view, or delete information that you've added. So for this, by default, we're brought to the investment screen and we're given three different options of how to categorize our information. The first option is registration name. So if you're wanting to view all of the investments in a particular registration, you do that here. If you're wanting to see all of the investments that you've made with a particular vendor company, you can do that here. If you're wanting to see all of the registrations, the investors that you have in a particular investment fund, then you can do that here. So if we're wanting to see all of the investments that James Smith has made, we click James Smith and you see here in the spreadsheet all of his investments. Now if we're needing to change this, let's say he didn't invest in this program but instead invested in another one, all you do is click there, you click the down arrow, and then you'll see the pop-out box here listing all of the different investments that we have in Omega Reports. So you can select a different investment. Upon doing so, just click on another record. You'll be prompted to save. If you don't want to save, just click No. Now, likewise, we can see the units owned, the total amount that was invested, his inception date, and his first distribution date. If any of that information needs to be edited, you can do that here as well. So we can change the 3,500 units to 4,500. Just move off of the record and you'll be prompted again to save. Click Yes. And as you can see here, the total invested amount has changed as well as the units owned. It's very simple to do. Now if you're wanting to get rid of the investment altogether, if you need to remove it from the registration, you can do that by right-clicking in the row that you're wanting to delete. You see this pop-out box here with the option to delete the record. Likewise, another way to do it is clicking here on the left in the gray square. That's going to highlight the entire row. Once you do that, you just click delete on your keyboard. You're prompted that you're about to delete a record. Obviously you want to delete it, so you click yes. That's all there is to it. Now if you're wanting to actually edit the registration that owns the investment, you can do that by clicking the down arrow and you're brought the listing of different investors. You just select the one that you want, save it, and you're good to go. Now for the vendor families, this can be extremely beneficial if you're wanting to know all of the investors that you have with a particular vendor. So let's say you want to see all of the investors that you have with Barringer Harvard. Right now it's only one, but as you populate your database, obviously it'll be numerous. So you can look in here, you can see the same information. You can see the particular program that they went into, because this will show all of the different programs that were invested with Barringer Harvard, the units owned, total amount invested, and their inception date. Now if you know, I don't want to see the vendor as a whole, I want to drill that information down more specifically to a particular program, then you can do that as well. It's very simple to do. You can just pull up, okay, I want to see all of the investors that I have in this program. And in this spreadsheet, you're going to see a listing of all of your different investors. As you can see, Omega Reports has made the process of data record management, editing, viewing, and deleting data extremely simple. If you have any other questions about other features within Omega, please take the time to look over our many tutorials and video instructions to see all the features and all that Omega Reports can do. Otherwise, you can just keep on using Omega Reports, where we always keep it simple. Thank you.